ko, hindi ka nagagawin dito.
Oo, hindi. Sabi ko nga kay Meldy, ako pwedeng wala sa'yo.
Thank you so much. I super appreciate you. Salamat ka.
Of course.
Hindi yan lumalayo.
I know. Parang ako to.
Mga ano mo na.
Salamat.
Had such a fun time yesterday at Angry Dobo. Thank you Ate Jude for inviting me. What a delicious experience. Every dish truly showed your passion for cooking. I must say, it's not just food, it's art. Panalo lahat. Ito ang captions ni Marian Rivera nang ibinahagi niya ang ilang larawan at maikling video sa pagbisita niya sa resto ni Judy Ann Santos na Angry Dobo kagabi sa tinaguriang chef night ng naturang kainan. Bukod kay Marian, bumisita rin sila Eugene Domingo, Barbie Forteza at ilang malalapit na kaibigan.
1 week to go before my chef's night. Few slots left, so give us a call. Baka may papasok pa na namin kayo. Just let us know on our hotline here at Westgate Academy. Sarap sa pakiramdam. I hosted 2 private chef's night. This night was nutritious night. Napakasarap sa pakiramdam at nakakataba ng puso na they are my newest family and I was able to feed them. I was able to have fun and laugh with them. Ito yung mga bagay na hindi mo maipagpapalit. Kasi umpisa pa lang ng relationship, napakaganda na kaagad ng friendship namin. Thank you so much to everyone who reserved their seats. See you guys and Merry Christmas!
Oh my God! OMG! Oh my God! Ano po kaya sa huli ko? Sabi mo lang mula! Yay! Nakarating! Just ka 2 days pa rin yung mahal. Ay, grabe to. Kasi naman nagigigil ako sa'yo. Bakit? Sige, 6 mo na yun. Thousands of ikaw po, ma'am.
Alam ko, hindi ka nagagawin dito. Oo, hindi. Sabi ko nga kay Meldy, ako pwedeng wala sa'yo.
Thank you so much. I super appreciate you. Salamat ka.
Of course.
Hindi yan lumalayo.
I know. Parang ako to.
Mga ano mo na.
Salamat.
Hindi pwede umihingi.
Ay! Wala. Stay mo, makauwi na tayo. Oh my God, welcome eh.
Wala naman. Okay naman.
Oo, kasi ano kami.
Nakakatuwa at nakakaaliw na nagustuhan nila yung menu. So we had lots of celebrants, we have lots of anniversaries, and mga nanggagaling pa ng La Union. Yes, sir. Feel free to enjoy the rest of the night. I'll be here and my whole team to personally serve you and make sure that you go home with happy family. It's you! Oh, yes! Hi, Sasami. Yeah, there you have it. Hello.
Thank you. Lalo lang ba? Kung saan lang ba?
Hindi po nag-videoke yung dati sa Ate Oli. Kasi pag may pelikula po kayo.
Saka lang.
Ate.
Hindi ba ako kabaliw? Puno-puno na ng mukha ko yung litrato. Wala na ako pipirmahan dito.
Araw yan, mataba.
Meron nga po siya parang box ng mga picture namin.